Hello friend, today in this video I will talk with you about listening the news to improve your English language. Because whenever you listen the news, you will find some difficult words, new words. If you are a beginner, then first of all increase your vocabulary. And sometimes listen the news. Because there in news very difficult words are used, and sometimes it is very difficult for you to understand what is said in the news. So for that, listen the news to get the inspiration that one day you will be able to understand the news also. So if you want to learn English language, then start, if you are a beginner, then start from basic things. So the basic sentences of daily routine, daily usage of those sentences, and slowly and gradually increase your vocabulary. In this way, gradually you will be able to speak fluent English. Not suddenly, because I have seen some videos where they are claiming that learn English in 10 days, learn English in 1 month. I think it is not the correct. The correct thing is that it takes time to know the English language. Basically, little sentences each and every can speak, but to speak on all topics, to speak on all situations, it requires you time. And if you have interest, you have any goal, if you are interested that one day you will be a fluent speaker in English language, then you will get the passion and you will do your struggle. Without any goal or passion, it is very difficult for someone to learn English. Just seeing others, that others people are speaking English language, and you will also speak English language. If you want to speak the language, then you have to do the work hard. Without work hard, you can achieve nothing, because you know that any job, any work the people are doing, any post which you are seeing people, they are due to hard work. And beside hard work, luck is also necessary, I think, because I have seen some people very lucky. They get the things very easily, instead of those who get the things after so much hard work. Because if you are a lucky person, you will get the good environment to learn the English language. In this way, you will be able to learn the language very easily and very properly in some period. But there are some people, those are doing some other jobs, those have the responsibility of their family livelihood, because they have to do work to earn the money for their home, and in this way they get less time to give to learn the English language. Instead of these people, there are some people who has much leisure, and due to leisure they can easily give the time to learn English language. So if you are doing some work, then spare some time to learn English language. And if you are a easy person, you are not doing any kind of job, you are free, then give lot of time to learning English language. And to learn English language, not only one thing is required, but there are a lot of things you have to do. You have to read, you have to speak, you have to watch, you have to listen. Listen the news, listen the podcast, listen the discussion, and sometimes listen the spoken English conversations, read the spoken English books, and try to make your vocabulary more powerful, that when it comes to speak, words would come from your mouth very easily. If you have a consumption of words, then output will be the good. Your consumption should be good, then your production should be good. If you are not consuming anything, then how can you will produce the better things? To produce the better things, your mind will be filled with the lot of vocabulary words. When you have consumed a lot of difficult words in your mind, then it is very easy for you to produce the dialogue, to produce the language, to speak very fluently, very easily. And speak with your friends. Sometimes the students, those are doing their studies, try to speak with them. And always speak with them those are interested in, because there are some people, those know a little English language, but they are not interested in speaking. I have seen that some people here in our society have done triple MA English, but when it comes to speak the language, they are not able to speak, because they have just read the book to pass the examination. They don't have any vision, they are studying just to get the job. They are not studying to get the knowledge, and they don't have any vision in front of them to achieve. If you have a goal, if you want to become a public speaker, if you want to mix yourself in society, if you want to do a lot of things for others, then it is very necessary for you to learn the English language, because sometimes if you get some good responsibility, there you have to meet with some foreign delegations, and you have to deliver your speech in English language. And if you have given the responsibility but you are not able to communicate with them, then how can you give your message to them, and how can you get benefit for your public, your masses? So for that, I think that a cock is outside disturbing me. Perhaps you are listening the voices here in this video. I am making this video outside area, and a cock outside area. Listen, again and again he is making the voices, and that is disturbing me also. Leave it. So to make yourself able to speak the language, it requires, as I told you, lot of hard work and passion, and a little luck, because sometimes when you are lucky, you get the environment of such kind to achieve the things very easily. And sometimes if we are unlucky, we don't get the resources, we don't get the surroundings favorable to us. So do the hard work, and luck will automatically follow you. In this way, I think you will be able to speak good English, best English. And always there is another option, that sometimes if you are learning the language, sometimes make a discussion on some things and discuss on that. Such as I was watching a video of Indian influencer in English language, and there she was saying that I have a formula, the cow formula, and you start from cow and you end your discussion from anywhere else. Such as, I have a cow, it has 4 legs. We have purchased that cow from a friend. My friend name is blah blah. He is living in Italy. Italy is a beautiful place. The beautiful place in Italy is a beautiful river there. The river name is blah blah, where we take a bath, where we met another friend of Japan. Japan is also a beautiful country. I visited several times in Japan. After Japan, I visited in China. You know that the Chinese are speaking their own language. They don't prefer English too much, because they try to prefer their own language. But English is the international language, and with this language we can communicate throughout the world, because in each and every country wherever we go, We find the people, those know the English language, with them we communicate easily because we have our other language, they have their own language, and we cannot, both cannot understand each other languages. The main language between us is the English language. Through this language we can communicate and understand each other problems and culture. Culture is very beautiful. Our culture is very rich. We do lot of things in cultures, such as marriage parties. We perform there. We do different kind of rituals. You know that each and every country have different rituals. There in India, there are some different rituals. Diwali is here in Muslim, the Eid ul-Adha and Eid ul-Fitr. I will tell you the details about these in my next video. This way, that you have seen that I have started from cow and I have ended at the Eid ul-Fitr or something else. So in this way, just imagine and start from anything and start speaking, and after speaking you will go somewhere else. Your speech will end somewhere else. In this way you will come to know how to construct the sentences, and you will be able to easily make the sentences, and gradually you will be one day able to speak more fluent language. And as in my previous videos I told you that I'm learning this language from I think 20 years back, and no 20 years back, but I'm learning this language from my 6th standard, and you can say that from 30 years back I'm learning this language, and I don't understand myself that I have a command on this language. I don't know, there are so many difficult other words, I don't know the meaning of those words. Whenever those words come in front of me, then I search their meanings and note down in a diary. Otherwise I am still not able to speak fluent language. So to become very much fluent, you should do hard work, as you know that without hard work nothing can be achieved. And hope you find this video useful. And before leaving this video, please hit the like button, the subscribe button, and give your valuable suggestions below in comment box. Altaf Malik, and you are watching me on my English language channel. Thank you. Bye bye.